Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller and ensuring it's ready. Charge it above 50% or swap batteries, then connect via USB-C for a stable baseline. Make sure your Xbox or PC is on and recognizes the device. This reduces wireless variables. Once done, open Devices and Accessories or the Xbox Accessories app to see the controller listed and apply any firmware updates. Those often fix input quirks before you dig into deeper tests. Now verify all inputs step by step. In the Accessories app, you can press each button to confirm registration and watch on-screen indicators for immediate feedback. For sticks, move them through the full circle, note any drift or dead zones, and measure travel to about 90 degrees. Test triggers with half and full presses to ensure smooth analog response. Record whether they read 0 to 100% without jumps. If a button fails, retest with USB and on another device to isolate the issue. Finish by validating performance in a gameplay scenario. Use a simple aim or driving test to feel latency and sensitivity. If you still see issues, unpair and repair the controller, perform a hard reset, or reinstall drivers on PC. These steps often clear detection bugs. Make sure firmware remained updated after reboots. Troubleshoot further by gently cleaning around stick bases. And as a last resort, contact Xbox support or consider replacement if hardware faults persist. Document what you tried before reaching out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.